Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to create Infinix account on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, with an Infinix account, you can access additional support resources, including user manuals, troubleshooting guides, and frequently asked questions or facts. This can be helpful if you encounter issues with your Infinix device. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, open the settings on your device. Okay, and here, look for and tap on the topmost option in the list. Well, once inside the Accounts option, you will see the choice to add an account. But before it, you will be prompted to agree to the Infinix user agreement. So you can check the box to agree. And among the options that appear, select Google to create an account using the Google services. Okay, after finishing, and then the Infinix account will be successfully created, and you can customize them according to your needs. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to create an Infinix account on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.